So it's works. That's why we expected. It works, even though you can change the size of the maps, and then maybe 600 or 750. Let's refresh again the pages. You see the map sizes, it changes what we expected. That's true. And if you can manipulate also the size of the maps, and then maybe you go back the farthest stage, the older stage. And what I mean, the graph value, if I change it here, maybe let's see, we change and change the what's the project structure graphs. Is it here or this? This is the graph functionality. That's I think this is a wrong graphs. So 2, I can change it like 90. Let's see how it is look like. Radius 90. So it will change now. I believe it is changed. So I see the radius change. That's I expected. So let's again to change the value for the graphs. 4 or 5, 4, and then it's make the graphs 100%, and then show levels, maybe truth settings. So now refresh again the page. You see the show levels. That's that's an most important one. You see the example how it works, and then what do I expected. That's the things right way to do. So you have some all the web information, you can do it like this way, and so on and so forth. And then you see, if I've just put it like the level information in the different legend, but even though you can put it like this way. So different values and the combination of values, the graph functionalities. This is the most important, how can I say, most important graphic functionalities for statistical presentation. That's if the geoinformatics students or professionals need to do. That's all the geo functionalities with the statistically distributed those things together. That's that's works. That's so that's, you got an idea what I mean, how it works, and then gets, even though that's I said you can change the static value from the any service calls, and then so on and so forth. And then you can also the opacity change, you can show level 2 it was false, and the center of the position radius 100%, even though you can change it, the color, the pink pack colors, maybe I don't know it works or not, the red, maybe let's see. I don't know, I'm not sure. This is, you see that it is still working, so this doesn't matter. Oh, some CSS to change it like this way, so it works red, and it's like, so let's see if I go to the green. This tag colors maybe 10, then it's clear. You see the green colors. That's expected. So it's a bad way to do, but it works. That's I said. I try to give it to you the understanding how I mean, how can you put it this one, and how can you manipulate, and how can you present the statistical information in this level. Even though you can dynamically pop up those information depending on your requirement with your specifications. It's not hard coded, but I give it to you the ideas how can you build really professional maps with the gridding, latitude, longitude, and then your position informations, and then all things depending, they're all the controls of the maps you can do this way. So that's that works. Then printing functionality and so on and so forth, this one. So we cover it like this way. So come back to 1 and level false, and then maybe the 90%. Let's see the 90% of the graph, or 80% it was. and opacity you can change it, even though you can dynamic change the value. So we got the idea what I mean, how it works. So how that you can write your own JavaScript functions and graph functions, build it, and then do the what you need, and then all the functionality is really important. That's I mean, this is really important for features and functionalities for the geoinformatics or GIS programmer to understand how it works and how you can build it really professional way to do it. So it was not saved the layers, so it's a control switcher. Yeah, maybe the control switcher the ID somehow in the control layers, because you have a switch on switch off functionalities in the control features, the layer switcher control. Let's see, layer switcher control functions. Sorry. So you have the area coverage functions. That's also I need to talking about that one, that how can you calculate the areas of the polygons lines, distance of the polygons and the polygons, and then calculate the vectors. And then this is the station area cover layer, cover area layer, the buffer area, I mean the functionalities for the station layers for any GSM station, how it's cover it, or depending on the use cases you can build these functionalities. So let's recap again our main ideas. If you have some questions this level, just write down into the channels, write down comments, ideas, and then I try our best to give it to you feedbacks how it works, and then I will continue the further development for the for the for the for the Node.js, for leaflet based same functional, leaflet based same functionality development, maybe with different use cases like real estate or building information presentation with the Web GIS in the web pages. And that's why I'm plotted like this way. So you see all the information, even the buildings information, even though each building's information, hotel register, I will show you the links, the state information where you click it, and then all necessary informations that's you need. So all the information, all then how can you build all information for each buildings and each plot, and then all the necessary information. This one, that's then the continuation of the next screencast number 44. Just follow the channels and you can get it like this way, even though this graph functionalities with the lost features. So let's recap what we have it, and then we already have we already have almost finished the screencast number 37 with the OpenLayers and some Google Maps APIs, and then some graphical libraries. That was done. That is clear. If it's still not clear, just you can write down your commands into the channels, then I will try to best. And this is the one of functions, and this is the future extension future screencast number 44 with the leaflet that's coming soon when I have enough times, and I will cover it all, everything that you need, and all the complex functionalities for your surveying, for any information like mobility survey, how the people mobilate into the Germany or other European country against your survey, your home country. Then you can take it and you can put it this survey information into your web page and your GIS information with that one, and then you see the really professional example for these cases. So I would like to thanks again for those who are interested for building the GIS programming career in the professional life, as like from the beginning level to professional level. That's this video or this screencast, I believe that's helped really a lot for you. Really lot. I believe it's helped a lot for you. Just subscribe the channel, write down your comments, and share your friends and colleagues, and try to use it into your professional career, professional field. And we will be happy if we support you into the development, in the future development, and then your ideas and concept. That will be the great things to share with. Now I said bye bye and goodbye, and see you later. Bye bye.